In Photoshop, I will add a filter from the filter gallery. Make it more attractive there. Let's make the style. Add some texture. Make it crack spacing. We have to make the selection there. We will add a paint around it. So there is a image. Add some exposure as well. Gamma correction.